I'm Nikun Shah from Jagmohan Private Limited. We are into manufacturing of plastic extrusion blow molding machine and injection blow machine. The range what we cover is right from 5 ml to 5,000 liter. So we have the widest range of blow molding article machines what we are producing right now. And we have India's largest facility for machinery, and we are based in Mumbai. Yeah, it's very good. It's better than what we expected. It's very well organized. The amount of crowd which is coming in is really very good. Inquiries we have got, some orders also we cracked. We are very impressed with the organizer community, and we look forward to have more participant in this area. And Hyderabad has always been a good market for us because of pharma, and we are into blow molding drum machines, so there's a lot of demand over here. So overall, it's a good experience. Thank you.